Eufy Security Alarm System is the one-stop solution to meet all your home security needs. In just seconds, you can install it anywhere, whether here or there. Arm and disarm in an instant for complete protection of your home. For 180 days between charges. And when a burglar comes along, you'll be the first to know, wherever you are. What's more, Eufy Security offers a whole ecosystem of smart home security products to protect you, your home, and your privacy. With local storage featuring military-grade encryption, no monthly fees, and customized protection modes. Because not every intruder is a stranger.
Hey, why are you here?
Hey, Dad.
This is Jason.
What's up?
Jason's not your regular guy. He's a 9-to-5 data quality assurance specialist, but he doesn't like to brag about his accomplishments. Jason's got a lot going for him. He's got beautiful kids and family, a car, power tools. He's got a vintage collection of original Spider-Man comic books. These things mean something to Jason, so he protects them with a Wyze Home Monitoring System. He puts the Wyze contact sensors on doors and windows, so he knows when they open and close. Wyze motion sensors detect unexpected movement. He got all these things for free. He's got a few extra cameras to keep an eye on things. They're only $20. Now Jason can see anything.
I can see everything.
When the family is out for the day, he arms his system. When he sleeps at night, he arms the outside. If someone breaks in, it sounds the alarm and sends Jason a notification. If you don't respond or don't know who has entered the house, the agent sends the police. His family is safe. His car is safe. His collection is safe. Jason gets all this for $5 a month. No long-term contracts, no sales guides, just straightforward, simple, and reliable home security for everyone. There's no more excuses not to have a security system. Free equipment, $5 per month. From Wyze.
The Abode Essentials Kit contains everything you need to get started with the Smart Home Security System, and it's incredibly easy to install. The Essentials Kit includes the gateway, the heart of the Abode Home Security System, which has a built-in siren, battery, and cellular backup, one mini door window sensor, one indoor motion sensor, one remote key fob to easily arm or disarm your system, and broad smart home technology support with Zigbee, Z-Wave, and Abode RF connectivity built in, allowing you to connect all of your favorite smart home products to one central system that you control. The gateway also includes Abode's powerful automation engine, which means you can customize your home's devices according to your lifestyle and needs, and access to your Abode system through the free mobile and web apps to review activity in your home, set up customizations and rules, and keep an eye on things when you're home or away. The Abode Essentials Kit helps you get started, but is also flexible and allows you to add other products to build the smart home security system that makes sense for you and your home. The Abode system is a completely wireless DIY smart home security system that's simple to install and easy to monitor and manage. This setup video will help you get started in under 15 minutes and ensure your home is connected and protected. First, create your Abode account via the web or mobile app. You'll need your gateway's activation code, included in your starter kit and found on the blue and white card. Once you've entered the code, you can start setting up your gateway right in the mobile app. Follow the step-by-step instructions provided. Your gateway requires both internet connectivity by plugging directly into your internet router with the included Ethernet cable and power to be successfully set up. Next, add each device in your Essentials starter kit using the simple device walkthrough in your app. Once each device is added, mount your door window sensor, motion sensor, and any additional devices you may have purchased with the provided mounting tape. It's best to test the connection of your devices prior to installation, so you don't have to remove them unnecessarily. Finally, familiarize yourself with the web and the mobile apps by using the system while you're at home. You can test out the system by changing the system mode, opening and closing doors, and watching the timeline in your Abode app to ensure all of your activity is being correctly reported.
Meet Ring Alarm Pro, a first-of-its-kind security system that helps protect your home and your network. With a secure Eero Wi-Fi 6 router built into one of the easiest alarm systems on the planet, it's the future of home security.
The future? I try not to think about that.
Clearly. Ring Alarm Pro is the first device ever to combine the peace of mind of home security and a Wi-Fi 6 router with awesome network security for a consistently strong signal across your home. So whether it's intruders, fires, floods, digital threats,
or how about just some better Wi-Fi around here?
Yeah, that too. Ring Alarm Pro makes it simple. When was the last time you upgraded your Wi-Fi?
A few years ago.
Ring Alarm Pro's Wi-Fi 6 network supports fast speeds to more devices across your home, so all of your devices connect better than ever. And you can browse, stream, and video chat like never before, all on an Eero Wi-Fi 6 network designed to protect you from digital threats and protect your privacy.
Okay, but what happens when the internet goes down?
No internet? No problem. With a Ring Protect Pro subscription, you'll have LTE backup to keep you and your Ring devices online and ready to protect. Add a Ring Power Pack and you're covered even when the power goes out. The Ring Protect Pro subscription adds another layer of protection, all backed by
24/7.
Yeah.
And award-winning
Professional monitoring. You're fast.
It's why we're here.
It's easy to install and connects to all of your Ring devices, like Ring cameras and Ring doorbells. Even Alexa.
Alexa, arm Ring away.
Ring is armed in away mode.
Ring Alarm Pro, the home protecting, Wi-Fi blanketing, digital threat fighting, peace of mind giving, always on, always ready, future of home protection.
Oh, it's here. Tom. Yeah, I can talk for a minute.
You old scallywag.
Okay, cool, yeah. And if you happen to see make sure that would be awesome. If I can get a little bit more of that, then that would be perfect.
Hi there, welcome to Cove. Get started.
Living room motion.
No, that's funny. That is funny. Make sure you put that in.
Is that is 99%, and I mean 99.8% first word.
Kitchen door. I'm ready to arm. Kitchen door.
How did...
Hello, this is Kylie from the Cove Monitoring Center. Is this David?
Yeah.
Just calling to let you know that all your sensors are working and your system test is complete.
Cove, it really is that easy.
Welcome to SimpliSafe.
SimpliSafe is a pioneer in wireless home security. It's engineered to deliver robust whole home protection, and yet it's surprisingly simple to install and use. More than 1 million homes and over 100,000 businesses are protected by SimpliSafe. Our award-winning systems are made up of an arsenal of sensors, sirens, smart locks, and cameras that blend seamlessly into any style and size home and help protect every inch of it. And it's all backed by professional monitoring, a team of individuals who are trained to keep you and your family safe by ensuring emergency responders get to your home quickly when you need them most. At SimpliSafe, our goal is simple: to make sure you always feel safe by keeping you safe.
SimpliSafe on.